And this is the City by the Sea. Greetings from Asbury Park, New Jersey. And I say City by the Sea, this is the location that was used in the Robert De Niro film that was set on Long Beach, Barrier Island, New York. Now there is LBI, New Jersey, and this is what that area looks like in the summer of 2023. Now this is what many call the casino. We are making our way from Ocean Grove to Asbury Park, but it was featured as Long Beach, New York. And if anyone has seen the film, that is the area very prominently displayed in the film. Oddly, so easily recognizable as Asbury Park, New Jersey. But with that film being shot quite some time ago, I thought it'd be interesting to take a revisit to the Atlantic Ocean beachfront community of Asbury Park, because it doesn't look much different today. Although you will not find that type of storyline inside of the casino, it certainly makes for the creative theatrical presentation that was depicted in the film. That's where the carousel was located. Beautiful carousel of Asbury Park. And this is the classic wooden boardwalk on an August evening, Saturday night at the Jersey Shore. Let's take a ride through and enjoy summer in the Garden State. Love Asbury Park. Today I got here by riding my bike from Red Bank, New Jersey. It was Explore the Shore weekend. This was the destination, but then I rode a little further, got myself over to Ocean Grove, and I thanked everyone over there for the prayer, the meditation, and the songs tonight. And we're finishing the ride. Yes, the ride in Asbury Park. Now, I am not riding the way all the way back to New York. I will be taking the NJ transit train from Asbury Park. But I wanted to see all the communities along the way because I love. Let me see if I can turn it around. Let's see if I can turn this around. You'll find out why in just a second. Turn this around to show my shirt. And my Jersey Shore Warrior shirt and my Jersey hat. All right, Asbury Park, though, is why we are here today. Let's take a bit more of a look. My last time in Asbury Park was to walk with the zombies. What does that mean? They have the zombie walk on this boardwalk, and it has won world records for being one of the largest zombie walks ever. Guinness Book of World Records, if I understand correctly. And it's a bit peculiar because once the zombies are done, if it's a warm day, it feels like a regular beach day here at Asbury Park. Now, shall we talk about my first visit to Asbury Park? It did not look anything like this. I was told by the hotel that I booked at that if I'm going to walk 3 blocks, I needed to take a taxi. This was a rough town that was literally brought to skeletons of homes, race riots, and eminent domain. Now we see some buildings being built along the shoreline. And I must say, it always warranted, in my opinion, visitors. I loved it from the first time that I got here. I saw a concert from singer Ultranate. there was an event here called Sandblast. They were trying to bring tourists to the beach, so they set up a dance floor on the beach. We danced on the beach. All of that just to get people to come to Asbury Park. And now they're realizing they don't need no tricks. It's just really cool to be here. All right, we're almost at the end of the boardwalk, and there's a little bit of throwback at the end of the boardwalk. You'll see when you get there. Now, this is an evening look of the Asbury Park Boardwalk. Probably about 8 o'clock. We're at 4th Avenue right now. Imagine this, 12 noon. 12 noon. It really is a resurgence. Stone Pony is right across the way. Christine Martucci, one of my favorite local artists. I've seen her perform there at that location. All right, what have we got here? Towards the end of the boardwalk, a Howard Johnson's. I told you there was a throwback surprise. There it is, Howard Johnson's, and all of its 60s design. Paramount Theater, 5th Avenue. Shall I walk you through? Let's see. I don't know. I gotta get off the bike. I'm not riding a bike through. I'm sure that's not allowed. But in the love of the Jersey Shore and Asbury Park, I'm gonna give you just a little bit more, but I gotta get off the bike. All right, I'm off the bike. Let's go in. What happens here? Sunsets. Asbury Park attire. And the summer stage. The B-52s, Demi Lovato.